Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a co-founder of a real estate business. I give Figma a 5 out of 5 stars, and for more reviews like this, click below. Before selecting Figma, I primarily used Sketch, and Sketch is a solid product and had a lot. I thought there's a bit of a learning curve, but even after getting over that, the thing that really drove me to Figma was the lack of cloud native functionality in Sketch. Sketch makes it more challenging to work with other team members. You're passing along files and have multiple, revisions or controlling version control history. Figma makes that stuff, native to the application as a first-class feature, so it's really easy to work with other team members. And going back to multiple revisions is something that happens automatically that you don't have to track. Getting started with Figma was really easy. There's not much to do. It all happens in a browser. And the documentation and templates they had were easy too. It took a few hours of playing around, and then I was up to speed. Figma is by far and away, I think, the industry standard for UX design tools. It's incredibly powerful. It's got a very low learning curve, but you can do anything that you need to do in it. I highly, highly recommend Figma.